NETSC 3G use digital communication and collaboration tools to communicate locally and globally with students, parents, peers, and the larger community. I established a blog regarding coaching and education through Blogger, and that helped me to meet this standard. Education and coaching basically go hand in hand with the implementation of technology. So, uh, my goal was to create a discussion board about different goals and things of that nature within the educational realm, and also to see the outcomes based on the participation within the blog.